Today, I'm going to make a body lotion. For that, take half a tablespoon of emulsifying wax. Add in 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil in a bowl. Add in the emulsifying wax. Melt it over double boiler. Now take 1/3 cup of rose water. Add in 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. Now warm the rose water glycerin mixture. Pour it over the melted wax. Now beat it using a whisk or a milk frother. I got this milk frother for making lotions, and it is very helpful in emulsifying the lotion. Beat for up to a minute in short bursts and then rest for 5 to 6 minutes. Continue doing this till the lotion starts thickening like this. Once it is thickened, add in 0.5% or 0.5 grams of broad spectrum preservative and mix well. I love this lotion very much. It is of perfect consistency and makes the skin petal smooth and soft. You can use it any time of the day. Emulsifying wax is necessary for this recipe as it helps combine water and oil. You can't substitute it with beeswax. Since it is a water-based product, we need a preservative. And please remember, vitamin E oil is not a preservative. It is just an antioxidant, so you can't use it. We have very limited choice of preservatives here in India. I usually make very small batches of my creams and lotions, so I rarely use a preservative. Since many of you requested a product with longer shelf life, I thought I'll try a broad spectrum preservative. The preservative that I'm using here is phenoxyethanol. It has been proven to be safe under 1% concentration, and it does not irritate the skin. But still, I would suggest avoiding it for children, pregnant women, and breastfeeding mothers. Since this is a water-based product, we need a preservative. But suppose if you don't want to use a preservative, you can leave it immediately in the fridge. It should last well for about a week or more. This is the base recipe. You can add an essential oil of your choice, and you can also switch up the oil too, depending upon your skin type. Do give it a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.